Welcome to my English study channel. Here you'll learn new words to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. See the word. Hear the word. Say the word. Practice often to remember all words better. The more you practice, the better you will become. This is one of the 2 lessons where you will learn English words for body parts. In this lesson, we'll cover words like head, elbow, thigh, heel, and more. In part 1, I'll introduce all the words. Then, in part 2, we'll have an enjoyable quiz to test your memory. Let's begin our learning adventure. Parts of the body. Part 1. Head. Head. I wear a hat to protect my head from the sun. Head. Neck. Neck. She wears a necklace around her neck. Neck. Back. Back. The athlete has a strong back for lifting weights. Back. Chest. Chest. Put your hand on your chest and feel your heartbeat. Chest. Shoulder. Shoulder. She carries her backpack on her shoulder. Shoulder. Arm. Arm. My friend has a tattoo on her arm. Arm. Armpit. Armpit. I put deodorant under my armpits to stay fresh. Armpit. Elbow. Elbow. I hit the door with my elbow and it hurt. Elbow. Wrist. Wrist. My mom wears a beautiful watch on her wrist. Wrist. Hand. Hand. I wave my hand to say hello. Hand. Palm. Palm. I can hold a small ball in the palm of my hand. Palm. Finger. Finger. I point my finger to show the way. Finger. Nail. Nail. I use a nail clipper to trim my nails. Nail. Stomach. Stomach. Eating too much candy can make my stomach hurt. Stomach. Waist. Waist. I wear a belt around my waist to hold up my pants. Waist. Hip. Hip. The dancer moves her hips with the music. Hip. Bottom. Bottom. When I fall down, I land on my bottom. Bottom. Leg. Leg. My legs are tired after a full day of walking. Leg. Thigh. Thigh. Tom has muscular thighs because he rides his bike a lot. Thigh. Knee. Knee. I wear knee pads to stay safe when I skateboard. Knee. Calf. Calf. I can feel my calf muscles when I walk in high heels. Calf. Ankle. Ankle. He twisted his ankle while playing soccer. Ankle. Foot. Foot. What is the length of your foot? Foot. Heel. Heel. My heel hurts from walking in new shoes. Heel. Part 2. In this part, we show the picture, and you say the word. Time to put your knowledge to the test. Let's see how many words related to parts of the body you remember. Ready? Let's go. Head. Head. Neck. Neck. Back. Back. Chest. Chest. Shoulder. Shoulder. Arm. Arm. Armpit. Armpit. Elbow. Elbow. Wrist. Wrist. Hand. Hand. Palm. Palm. Finger. Finger. Nail. Nail. Stomach. Stomach. Waist. Waist. Hip. Hip. Bottom. Bottom. Leg. Leg. Thigh. Thigh. Knee. Knee. Calf. Calf. ankle, ankle. Foot, foot. Heel, heel. Bravo! Fantastic! We hope you enjoyed learning these new English words. Please watch other videos on our channel and continue building your vocabulary. We recommend watching this video every 5 days until you have mastered all the words. We've also created for you a short video featuring all the words from this episode to help you quickly refresh your memory. Please check it out in our shorts section. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you next time.